On October 28, 2023, Ricardo Gale, who knew Tracy Cole, the great-nephew of Nat King Cole, was arrested by the Fairburn Police Department during a routine traffic stop in connection with his murder. Cole was fatally stabbed near Centennial Park in downtown Atlanta on September 24, 2023, around 2 a.m. After the incident, paramedics rushed Cole to the hospital, but unfortunately, he was later pronounced dead.
Driver! Hands up! I got commands. Driver, with your left hand, open your driver door.
I got hands. Hold on. Just giving them commands. I got hands. Okay.
Give me 1 second.
Somebody tell me what's going on.
Give me 1 second. I'll tell you. Step out for me.
I can't. My seatbelt is still on. I'm on the phone.
I got this in if you want to undo it.
All right. Somebody please
Yeah, give me a second.
explain everything to you.
Step out for me.
Can I
Nah.
car step?
Yeah,
No, I
you
can't.
got-
The car is still in drive. Okay.
Step out for me, my brother. You got any knives or guns or anything like that on you?
I do have my gun on me.
Where's it at?
Right here in the car.
All right, put your hands on leave them right there.
Can somebody tell me what's going on?
Yeah, give me 1 second, my man. I'm going to tell you, okay? Do you have an ID on you by any chance?
Yeah, it's right here in my pocket.
Right here? Or just...
In my wallet.
What's your name, brother?
My name is Ricardo.
Okay. Here's the deal, Ricardo. You have a warrant out of Atlanta for homicide. So, keep your hands on this car. Don't do anything dumb. We're going to put these handcuffs behind you, okay?
That's...
You want to run it? Oh, yeah.
Yeah, could you call her? It's 447.
Do you have a Bluetooth in?
Yeah, I'm talking to
Will
my
you take that Bluetooth out real quick?
She's about to call my mom. Can I tell her?
No, Russell, you got this hand right here?
Yeah.
What?
Thank you for being calm and not getting too excited. I appreciate that.
Sure, sorry.
Huh?
You got anything else on you need to know about?
There's a knife right here.
You did tell them go ahead and start confirmation?
I got you.
Thank you, SARS. You ain't got nothing else on you?
No, sir.
Just,
It's
in the car. Phone. We're gonna put this in there with your phone. Russell, if y'all want to, y'all can put him either in my car or one of y'all's cars. We'll get him from there. I'm just cruising up and down fucking 29. I just ran this tag and he went by me just singing. I run the tag and I'm like, oh, 83.
Oh, shit.
And I was like, aggravated assault. And I looked and said, homicide. And I was like, but damn.
Incident 101. 101.
You got the location yet?
Well, one of you guys have to do it, but I'll do the report. I'm trying to see if they'll meet with us. If not, somebody has to end up taking them to court for me. Now you see that front end, how it, yeah, see this is, he passed me and I noticed all this. And so I just kind of whipped around and I was just cruising up behind him and ran the tag.
Nice start tip there.
Something like some old moxicillin, anything in here?
No, it's marijuana. Just as scales, wraps.
Union City's actually close by. I was like, holy cow, they're right here next to me.
I was trying to tell him, I was like, he's trying to give him commands. You just stop.
I mean, I was going felony stop him, but I mean, I guess it's long fucking shell.
Oh, there's one on the back of the. Right there.
22 Bravo.
I don't know, unless they're. Took them off in a minute. Union City too? Why we going home?
This T6472 is part of the serial number as well, because that's what's on the back, that 22 Bravo Hotel. I wonder if that's part of it as well. Well, run it and see what they say. Fairburn 31 radio.
Fairburn 31, I'm on the line with Dana. Go ahead.
When you get a chance, I'm going to give you that serial number for the 69 one more time.
I'm clear.
Well, guys, one way to start the morning. Just out.
I was feeling sleepy.
That's why I thought, let me go ahead and give out all this information so y'all can get here to me.
8:30.
I was looking at that thing, look. Russell was out, bro. I seen Russell in front of you. I'm like, damn, Russell. Russell was going down.
Fairburn 31, go ahead with that serial number.
It's going to be Tango 6472 22 Bravo Hotel 12196.
Well, yeah, he's sweating up before he got this
Tango
going on.
64722 Bravo Hotel 12196.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
That's the one they actually did 5-9, but I went to the headquarters.
Sometimes you get them right there.
Fairburn 31, not on record, not on file.
10-4. Sometimes you can get them right there, like East Point, right there at the train station. If they'll come in right there on the other side of East Point, starts APD or Atlanta. So, if not, we'll take him to Fulton County and.
Or to that headquarters.
I mean, they're not going to meet with us. We're not gonna make it easy on them.
Or they come in. That one.
Any other time they'd be on group me like left and fucking right. Well, they're like too early this morning. Wait and see, confirm it, then only start at 85 for it. I'm pretty sure it's going to be a valid warrant, but before we wake up Ron on a Saturday morning.
Seeing Ron new truck.
Did he get a new one?
Not the A-Plus truck.
Oh,
Racing truck.
talking about his F-150? Did he get him another F-150 or he still got that white one?
Brand new bag, everything.
He'll put all them lights on it.